that is everything around you that you call life was made up by people that were no smarter than you.
More than I can say, do it to me, I can say. More than I can say, do it to me, I can say. More than I can say, do it to me.
Today I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna bring to Asia. We're gonna travel Asia for at least 6 months, and we are gonna be in quite cold temperatures. For example, in the Himalayas in Nepal. But we're also going to be in the middle of the jungle in Laos and Cambodia and Thailand and in Bali and in Lombok. So, you know, it's going to be like kind of extremes. And also I gotta say that my package is kind of a nerd fest. I put together the most mobile pack I can imagine, but also everything I want as like a wannabe producer. Anyways, let's start the unpacking, shall we? So this is my backpack. Hello! And I'm gonna show you. First, I got my water bottle, very important. Then here, I got my day pack. I don't want to be a mule and carry my day pack on the front. So my day pack, it's a really good one by the way. Then on the other side, I have this antibacteria, in my favorite color of course, blue. Antibacteria, also it dries very quick, so that's nice. Also of a quick dry material is from Supernatural. Hope you guys can see. I have 2 of those. This is like poly something. Let me see. I saw a label in here somewhere. I don't know what it's called. It's some kind of wool fabric. Anyway, it dries very quickly, just like a towel. It's very convenient, and it also doesn't smell, but I haven't tested that yet. The remote controller for my drone. This is a DJI Spark controller, and here is the DJI Spark. Now the DJI Spark I chose because it's very small, as you can see. You can actually charge this. You don't need an extra charger. You can actually charge this right here with a cable like this. So I also have a mobile battery, which I'm going to show you later. So I can charge my drone while I'm on the road. And I don't need a separate charger, which I don't need to carry with me either. So that is very convenient. This is the Fly More package, which is really nice because it has an extra battery, and I find it convenient because it has some storage space over here. I can also keep my GoPro in it. This is the GoPro 5. The 6 is already out, like it's gone so fast, but anyway, I got the 5. It shoots 4K. I'm not even gonna shoot 4K. And I also have the, I believe it's called an OTG cable for the controller. I can connect my controller, connect my controller directly to my iPhone. iPhone slides in right here. And what that actually does is make sure that the signal doesn't break up. And that's very important because you don't want the signal to scramble when your drone is out like 2 miles or something. And I'm gonna really enjoy this package. Oh, one more thing. An extra GoPro battery. Don't leave home without it. And then I also have some spare rotors for if the rotors break or get damaged. So I got my coat right here. It's like wind stopping and very light. So it's gonna be nice to hike in when we are in Nepal. I got an inflatable neck pillow, so that's very nice. It's very soft and it's inflatable, so it's very portable. And this is a 3D sleeping mask. So I put this on and I see absolutely nothing. So 2 short pants, 1 long trousers. I'm probably gonna wear these when I'm on the plane. Then I have my little djembe. No, actually this is something I haven't used a lot. So this is a stabilizer for example my iPhone. Also the GoPro fits in it, but the iPhone actually can connect with it. And it's very nice because like it gets stable shots. I need to practice with this a lot more, but it's probably gonna deliver very clean, nice shots. And what's also convenient, it has like a little a charger over here, so there's a battery within this handle, and I can charge my iPhone with this. I can actually connect my iPhone to the thing, and it will charge while I'm shooting video. Isn't it fantastic? This is a sleeveless shirt. This is a regular shirt, cotton underwear. So this is my notepad with 2 pens. 1, 2, because I'm gonna write a lot when I'm on the road. Some wind jammers. Don't leave home without those. Then I have my little toiletry, also in a nerd edition, as you can see. I'll just get everything out of here. I have, very important, some earplugs, hand alcohol, a bar from Lush. This is actually a shampoo bar, which you can wash your hair with. Smells nice. Sunscreen, my toothbrush, insect spray, Je ne parle pas, Parch, ORS. This is for when things get really shitty. Little scissors, little buck take thingy, band-aids, paracetamol. I don't know what this is called in English. I think paracetamol. Anti-shittiness, anti-malaria. I'm actually supposed to take these if I have flu symptoms. If my fever is high for at least 24 hours, I need to start taking these. And that concludes my toiletries. Then, the fun stuff, my MacBook. Swimming pants. I thought I already had this one, but this is the sleeveless one. This is the sleeveless shirt I thought I already had. Anyway, my sleeveless shirt. Doesn't really matter. Comfy pants. A mosquito net. Some attachment material for the mosquito net. Flip-flops. Canon G7X. But I'm actually shooting this with the camera, so the camera is not in it right now. I bring 2 of the spare batteries and an extra SD card. This is also like the underwear from Supernatural, and it's a long sleeve shirt, which is gonna be really comfy. The material is super soft, super nice. It's long sleeve, so I can wear it in the evening so the mosquitoes don't get me. And I can wear it on the trek to Nepal through the Himalayas. This is something which I probably don't really need. It is the Lifestraw. If we are in a very bad situation and the only thing we have is like a stream somewhere which we can drink from and we're out of all the water, this is gonna be our lifesaver. I bought this because I thought it was very cool. There's like a filter system in it. Anyway, I'm gonna bring it. It doesn't take a lot of space. So these are antibacterial socks. They are made from the same material as the underwear and the shirt I just showed you, the long sleeve shirt. This is 6 terabytes of data. They're both from Transcend, and I like these because they're ruggedized. They're from rubber. It's 6 terabytes. This is my visual disc. Everything that's like Final Cut Pro or everything that's video editing is gonna be on this disc. And everything that's like Ableton Live, Native Instruments, like audio shit, it's gonna be on this one. So this is my backbone. Please don't break. Apple Watch charger. Yes, I'm gonna bring my Apple Watch too, because I'm a little bit of a nerd. Long socks, extra comfy for the hike. My sunglasses. My in-ear headphones from Sennheiser. Thank you Apple, because I need this to make it work. This is really shitty. This is very convenient because it's basically my USB charger for my iPhone and my Gopro and everything. And you know that thing that when you're traveling you have this hotel room and there's like only one wall socket? Okay, this helps because this is your universal plug. I have these different plugs I can put on there, and like a cable, which I'm also gonna bring with me. And then I have multiple plugs. hard case for my iPhone, a case for my GoPro. This is a nice little cheap thing where you can put your iPhone in and like film like a time lapse or something, and you can put it on a tripod. Also very cheap. This is gonna be the lifesaver on the roads. This is actually 16,000. Yeah, it's 16,000 milliampere, and that is a lot. I can charge my DJI Spark, my drone, with this. I can charge my iPhone with it, my GoPro, and yeah, like everything I want. So this is funny. I got this. This is like you can do your lens with this, but it comes with this little package. It is so nice. It is like a goosh. So you can get this out and voila, you have a cloth and you can do your screen with. Anyway, if I have to transfer large sums of money, it's always handy to get your digital identifier from your bank. When we're renting a car and I need power, I got this little handy nifty device here. We got left some GoPro things. This is a little floater, cost like €3 or something. Talking about the GoPro, I was thinking which GoPro add-ons do I actually need? Because there are a lot of those. And then I saw this thing. This is like a clamp. You can put it on like surfboard or whatever. You can put it on the table right here. You can put this on a steering wheel or on whatever surface. And it has this gooseneck, adjustable of course, but you can also take the gooseneck off. So I'm gonna take that. My shaving device, charger for my Canon camera. And that's it. We're empty. This is my backpack. So I got an orange ribbon here, so I can always recognize the thing. I have some covers in here, which I can put on my backpack when it's raining. Very important to keep your stuff dry, so those are on top here. You can find everything I'm gonna bring with me down here. If you've got any questions, feel free to share them with me and I'll see if I can answer them. And that is my Nerdfest packing list for at least 6 months of travel in Southeast Asia. Goodbye. What's also nice, by the way, is the upcoming packing list for Angela. She has more of a fitnessy kind of bag. So what is a fitness girl taking to Asia for 6 months? Stay tuned, you're gonna see it soon. And of course, if you like this movie, subscribe down here, or here, somewhere around here. There's a button, or a like, or both, whatever.
Do it to me.